get there.
You see the woods?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I would not go down there.
I would.
No, I wouldn't. Well, I wouldn't with my car, but maybe.
Yeah. Stop right here. I'm going down.
Okay. Are they not evacuated?
Apparently not.
You would think.
Saw this from about 10 miles away. Is that the railroad tracks over there?
Yeah, there's supposed to be a train coming in soon too.
Yeah.
Yeah. That could make things interesting.
It will look like nighttime. It will look like nighttime.
Sorry. Just off the frog. Is that just the field burning, or is there a train over there?
No, they're doing a controlled burn so the foliage can grow back better next year than this year.
Sounds like it got out of hand. They don't usually call it.
Yeah, right. I've never seen it that big. They do it all the time, but I've never seen it that big. Look at this one over here. On the wind's blowing.
Oops.
Yeah, that's not supposed to happen.
No, never get that big.
Because that's going to jump the train tracks.
No.
It shouldn't. That's a lot of rock.
Yeah. That's what they built that.
Well, did you think, dude, a little emmer blows over and hits this dry shit?
Yeah.
Good.
We'll still have time to run if that's the case.
The train tracks are only 15 feet across.
Yeah, I saw this from the eye. Quite the,
Really?
Yeah. Wow. There's some black smoke. I was thinking plane crash.
Man, somebody's in trouble. I think I hear a chopper. Someone fucking knows better view.
That's insane. Sweet.
Pretty good picture from up in the tree.
I got my Crocs on. I don't think I'll make it up there.
Off to the left, it's burning really hot right there.
Madness, man. The animals are going wild.
Well, yeah.
They're like, everybody get the hell out of here.
Yeah, they know
fire.
something's wrong. More sirens? I'm surprised nothing's on the news yet.
Holy fuck, dude. That is not good.
No,
As soon as it starts coming over the tracks, I'm out here. At least that's swamp water right there. I don't think it'll make it through that.
How much that is?
20%.
Boy, it's cooking that power pole over there.
Yeah, it's burning the sitting shit off.
Don't drop that thing in the water, I'll kill you.
Hey guys, I don't think this is a controlled burn. Really? No, because they don't burn the fire pass underneath the power lines. That whole pole is on fire right now. Well, it's not on fire.
Yeah, dude, that's
Yeah, it's
hard.
it's moving right along.
Holy crap. It is built that shit, you know. They've been working so hard. You're really good. All gone.
Let's just hope they don't come in the tanker plane and we're downwind of it, right?
I said, don't move. I think what they're actually looking for is a jump. It looks like it's dying down, which is good.
Well, dude, it's been dying down the whole time we've been here. Then it just flares up. Because, dude, they wouldn't, dude, that pole they wouldn't burn. Yeah, they wouldn't burn that.
Yeah, that pole's getting a little.
And usually what they do is they go around with this torch and they burn a huge path.
Yeah.
And then they burn so it can't jump over. And right here it doesn't look like they did that. But we could be wrong. It could be. Who knows? A little excitement in the harbor.
Can you dig it? Well, Live Leakers brought to you as the action happened. Looks like it's heading off that way, but I can hear fire trucks. Well, I'm sure you can hear them too, everywhere. And there's, you can see this is all dry tinder. If it hops those tracks, there's a bunch of houses up there. That's not too bad because it goes down to the marina in Illinois State Beach. But up the hill behind me is a neighborhood. Yeah, they must have every fire department from 10 towns coming around. And instead, if you turn up and look that way, a bunch of houses. Hopefully the railroad tracks will be a break.
Because as I turn, you're
Yeah.
gonna. Okay, so I'm gonna turn, and you're gonna get all this.
You're better in the air somewhere. Get on top of it and fan the flames a little bit. Oh, it's getting a little close over there. That's that guy's backyard.
Oh yeah. Still.
I see it's all dry. On the wrong side of the tracks. Well, that fire was cooking some of them high tension lines. That can't be good for them.